This is the complete actress production unit. Main functions include pump mixing, actress forming and drying, actress sorting, etc. Use pump mixture to crush and grind with the paper into thin pulp. These 3 self-built mixing tanks are used to dilute and store pulp. The pulp is extracted into the forming machine and extruded into regular-shaped actress. Then actress will be dried in this continuous dryer machine. After drying, the sorting machine can put the actress together automatically. This squeezing device can further compress actress, save storage space, and make it easy to transport.